Hello, my name's Jordan, and Sam from Explore Your Senses has very kindly asked me to look at and review some of her sensory items. Today I'm going to show you the Visual Time Fun Kit. Let's have a look what's inside. The first thing I'm going to show you in the kit is this oozy pad. It's filled with colourful gel and oils of all different colours. They're great to touch and visually pleasing too, both with your fingers or your toes. I know lots of sensory children will find this mesmerising and extra calming. Next up is a coloured acrylic board. Easy to hold and fun to look through. This could be perfect for children that struggle with bright lights. They can still enjoy the visual display as it's dimmed through the coloured plastic. Next up we have a kaleidoscope glitter wand. I remember these from my childhood. You look through the little hole here and you get transported to a magical world of colours and swirls. Have a look. See, isn't it magical? There's a smaller version of the glitter wand too. This one is perfectly pocket size. Great for children that need a bit of visual stimulation without distracting the rest of the class. Next up is a waterfall tube. Have a listen. As the plastic and metal beads fall from the top, they make a beautiful rainfall sound. Great for sensory stories, but also a beautiful visual stimulator. Stop. Stop. These are very popular in my sensory classroom. What's not to like? The combination of the spinning, the lights, the vibration. I know lots of children that would like this one. They are sometimes a little fragile though, with them being plastic. So if your child likes to throw, I would just pop it in a Tupperware with the lid on, turn on the lights, and then it's a little bit more robust so they can play with it. They can still enjoy the lights and the vibration without any breakage. Next up is this bubble tube. Watch as the oil negotiates the water, creating the most perfect bubbles, travelling down the spirals. I often give children in my sensory class this whilst I'm asking them to wait. It's small and quiet, and when watching it makes the wait feel a little bit less frustrating. Next up is an oozy tube. These take a little longer to fall, but are just as satisfying to watch. Thick, gooey liquid inside, slowly moving around the pot. Next up is a sparkly, flashy ball. It's got metallic paper and liquid inside, making it all the more pleasing. It's squidgy and bouncy too. Last up is a space blanket. These are absolutely irresistible for sensory children that love making a noise or love visual stimulation. Brilliant for lining a dark den with, they reflect the light beautifully. What an amazing kit! Perfect for some visual stimulation.